Shout out to Carter Eats. She's so funny. That woman's hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing at her. But she was like, give me a break, B. She ate 6, I think.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Ooh, welcome to Carter's Eat. Thank you for coming, you guys. Thank you. I'm here to do my second hair or third hair video, which is a wig reveal. And one of my wonderful subscribers sent me this package. So let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, we are unpacking this wig. If this is your first time here at Carter's Eat, welcome, welcome, come on in. My name is Lisa. I don't have my eyebrows on, but it's gonna be okay. Here at Carter's Eat, we have great family vlogs, challenge videos, and cook and eat with me videos. So get there, and watch one of the 4. You won't be disappointed. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Again, this package has come from one of my subscribers, and I'm excited to see what's in it. I do know the color. I'm just curious as how it's gonna look on me. Lisa, your host here at Carter's Eats. I have a son named AJ and a daughter named Blake. One is 7 and one is 4. And a wonderful husband, and my 2 parents live with me. So we have lots and lots of fun. I just pulled it out of the packaging. It is a pink wig. Let's open her up and see what she looks like. It says short, straight. We got a wig cap, and the color is pink. If I can find out the company name, I will tell you. There's my wig cap. Nice little wig cap. I don't see a company name. That's okay. There's a little packaging there. All right, you guys, we're going to do this together. Okay, I don't know what the style is. Again, a subscriber has sent it. Let's get right into it. I like to use my nets to put them on my headpieces for after. There's some paper in here. Hunty, 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 hunty. There she is. Yes. For the pink. She's got good movement, volume, bangs on check, fun, flirty. My hair is a little thick on top, so we're going to have to work on that, and I'll flat iron it down. But she has come through, and she is cute, boo. Thank you. Get there, get there, get there. Visit Stephanie's 50 and Climbing. Visit Stephanie's 50 and Climbing right there at the bottom. And she promised this for October's Cancer Awareness Month. It didn't make it in time, but that's all right, because fellowship, friendship, commitment, and doing what you say you're going to do is far more important. We still honor those that have passed or are with cancer or are cancer survivors. But baby, holla, 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 holla. She cute. My eyes look tired because I haven't eaten, but thank you, Stephanie's 50 and Climbing. I'll be wearing this in my chili video, so get there, get there, get there, get there, and check it How fun, flirty, and cute. Thank you, boo. Yes, yes, yes. So much fun, so thoughtful. And here we are all for it. You can see it being worn at Carter's Eats Lives in Loveville, Monday through Friday, 11 to 1. I always like to switch up my wigs, so please feel free to always or anytime send me a wig. Thank you, Stephanie's 50 and climbing. I love it. Now get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Holla, 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 holla.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.